This is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rawr. Extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Ooh, couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses your necky, wakey till they were till they hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
There's no way. There's no way. What? I beat it twice in a row. Not twice in a row. Like twice in like 5 minutes. No way. Fair. Go for that. Yes, of course. Of course. That was nice. That was nice though. That was like 5 attempts to this session.